big jack though. No doubt.
Whatever.
Look at that.
Well, you know what I get? You get the net.
Dude, this is one of those big ones I saw.
Did he eat the mullet or?
The whole mullet.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
We're in for it now. We're in for it now. This is gonna use up all my camera time. Big jack. Just don't break him off.
No, I got a 50-pound test, dude.
50 pound?
I got this guy. Oh. Ned, when you see this thing, oh my god.
Don't let him bust off. Now I got 2 cameras. I can't even drink. I can't even get my beer. I'm gonna have to ditch one cam. Where is he?
The 30-pounder. 25-pounder, probably. Crank the drag up. Oh yeah. Dude, you getting that?
Yeah. What?
Oh yeah.
Sure, I'm getting it. Oh, there he is. Woo. Oh, hold on. Let me get my other camera rolling.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's a big jack.
Oh, dude, I missed it all. Alright, hold on. No, hold on. Right.
I know. I'm going to take the hook out of him.
Oh, shit. I missed it. I was grabbing my bear. Alright. Look at that sucker.
Okay.
Big mouth jack.
Alright.
Big old jack. Blow.
Let this one go.
Let him go, huh?
Oh yeah.
Back onto the wild blue beyond.
Here, get that, Mike. Oh yeah.
Get him underwater.
Yeah, let me see it. I'll get an underwater view.
Back to the wild blue beyond, baby.